How to resize image on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To resize a photo using the Photos app, you will have to crop the image to make it smaller. This is a useful method if you are already planning on cropping the pic. So go ahead and open the Photos app and choose the image you want to crop, and then select the edit option from the bottom of your screen and then tap on the crop option from the bottom of your screen again. Now, drag the corners of the photo to move the borders until you are happy with the results, or tap the crop icon and choose an aspect ratio to crop your photo to a standard format. Now, drag the image using your fingers so that it fits in the assigned aspect ratio and further tap on Done when you are happy with the results. So this is how you can resize image on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.